Here we're looking at a couple of new pouches from Muji. They have multiple sizes. Here's a medium, here's a small, and they have a large and I think an extra small as well. And it comes in several different colors. What's so nice about these is that they are double zipped. So the front pouch is mesh, and then there is also a back part as well. Now the material, it's good. It's not very thick nylon, but it's good enough for normal everyday use. The medium one sizes are 13.5 times 19 centimeters, or in inches is about 7 times 5. The small one, the size is 10 times 13.5 centimeters, or in inches it's 5 times 4. So here's a typical A5 notebook for size comparison. It's a notebook, and the pouch is slightly smaller than that. And then this is the small one. And an iPhone 8 for comparison. That's the iPhone 8. So I think they're just great for everyday use, for different organization, bag in the back kind of system. There's gray, black. You have this mustard green one, and then there's a blue, but kind of a funky blue color as well. So just to show off how I use them, I'm using this as a mini gym kit. So the front pouch, I put the wet items. Here's a Muji soap container, and then some skincare product. On the back, I have hairbrush and some other skincare product. So medium pouch. Just to point out a couple of interesting design, right? So the two zips are different, and then they put this little thumb pull in the front. So obviously you can customize this with your own pulls or a paracord if you want. And then there's also this little hook here. You can use this to hook onto a carabiner, or you can have a lashing system that lashes into maybe something else in your bag, like the key holder. For the small one, I'm trying now to use this as my minimum EDC kit. So everything that was here used to fit inside this Husky tool bag, right? So this one is one layer, a little bit bigger but flatter. And now this is a little thicker because I doubled it up, but smaller. I'll have in here in the front of 2 pill boxes. So painkiller and allergies, and then lip balm, best kind in the world, by the way. And in the back, I put in more flat items. This is probably unnecessary big, so I can probably slim this down. This is just cough drops and stuff. And then Band-Aids. And of course, I hope you have one of these, a roll of duct tape. So all this fits inside this little bag.